When the issue of what can be done to enhance road safety is brought up in Pakistan, the discussion largely revolves around increasing enforcement of traffic laws and regulations via the traffic police and stiffer punishments for those who break the rules. This is indeed an important step that we must take in order to prevent unnecessary deaths and reckless driving is a big problem in Pakistan, but it arguably ignores the bigger picture that our road network and transport infrastructure are fundamentally flawed. The roads are too small and poorly maintained, the cars are too many, and there is an utter lack of adequate public transport options, let alone bike paths and pedestrian walkways. This is particularly the case in our urban centers. Transitioning towards these more sustainable modes of transport not only saves lives but will also help make Pakistan prosperous and cleaner. Imagine the money and time one can save by foregoing a personal vehicle because there is an efficient mass transit system, and think of how much cleaner our streets and air would be if there were more bicycles and footpaths instead of cars. Just I think of how much better life in the city would feel if walking was actually a viable means of getting to places as opposed to the last option. While this transition would benefit us all, the lower income groups, which make up the majority of this country, clearly have the most to gain. Currently, it is they who have to rely on the most unsafe transport methods and are the worst affected by rising prices at the pump. Transitioning towards a less car reliant Pakistan is thus not only a safety issue but one of social and economic justice as well. Full stop.